guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a really fun video, which is my favorite $1 beauty products. But yeah, so I decided to film this video because makeup products are so expensive. So for like one little lipstick at the drugstore can cost you like $5 to $8. And sometimes they don't even work that well. They don't work to the price that they have sometimes. So I'm just gonna go right ahead. I'm gonna jump into this video. So these are my favorite $1 beauty products that don't have to break your bank to afford. Okay, yeah, whatever. All right, so let's just go right ahead. So this is not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna pick up from what I see and just show it to you guys. So well, this one is my absolute favorite $1 products that I have ever found are these makeup brushes. I have more than just these, but these are the ones that I'm just showing you guys. I have a lot more in my little makeup cup, but $1 makeup brushes. Y'all are spending way too much money on makeup brushes when you can afford these. Anyone can have a freaking dollar. Everyone has a freaking dollar at least in their bank account to your name. You have a dollar to your name and you can spend it on these. So these are the AOA Studio what's it called, makeup brushes. So this is from Shop Miss A. If you don't know what Shop Miss A is, you need to go pause this video, click on the link down below. It'll send you right to the website, and then you will see all the things that you are able to buy. So they not only just have these, they have other makeup products that I have here. And they just need to go check that out. That store is freaking amazing. And shipping is only like $3, I think. I've had all of these brushes for, I'd say, about a good 2 to 3 years, and they've worked so well on me. I've washed them, I've dried them, I've used different shampoos, and these have been serving me so good for 2 to 3 years. They don't shed on me whatsoever. Like, that's the number one thing that I absolutely love, is that they don't shed. They get the job done. So you guys have seen these things work on my videos. So if you're a loyal subscriber, you know you have seen these bad boys do its job. So if you haven't gone out to go buy some, go get them. They're only $1, you guys, only $1. And then also including with the makeup brushes, this is one of my favorite $1 beauty product makeup tool, which is the Wet n Wild what's it called, Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. So I bought this for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I think they're about 97 cents at Walmart, if you do manage to find them there. But this is absolutely amazing. This is perfect for blending out the colors in the crease. So only for 97 cents or $1 at the Dollar Tree, wherever you do buy it. This is really, really good, and I've used this for quite a few years now. I think about 2 years. I think I've had that for about 2 years. Okay, so another thing is these e.l.f. eyeliner. So this is a good eyeliner if you just need an eyeliner. I don't think it's the best one out there. Like, it's not the darkest, it's not the most long wearing, but it gets the job done. And that's why it's included into my favorites, because if I just need an eyeliner for, let's say, just to get ready, to just get out the house, and I don't really need to be too done up, I just want something on my face, this is the bad boy that I'm going to. And the good thing about this is that it does come with very, very convenient. And I think about this at the Dollar Tree as well, for only spanking $1. So regular basic black eyeliner, you don't need to spend $10, $20, $21 on an eyeliner that you could just get it out for like basically $1. So y'all are spending way too much money. Another thing that I bought for, well, this one's actually not $8, it's actually $2, but that's okay, you know, we're not breaking the bank here for an extra buck. So this is the Essence Lip Liner in Satin Mauve. As you can tell, I've used quite enough of this, and I'll continue using this. I mean, it works pretty well. Gets the, like I said, it just gets the job done. And you can't ask any more from that from a $1 makeup product. When I was first actually starting out my makeup collection, this is actually one of the first things that I did buy. Another one of my favorite beauty products is actually this highlighter. This is the Halo highlighter from AOA Studio. So it's the same brand of these brushes, only for $1, and I'm actually using it today. I don't know if you could tell. This is one of my favorite every single day highlighters that I just plop right on because I know it's gonna create that shine that I want and just give me the luminosity that I need. So if you're just looking for a good highlighter, or if you're just starting out with makeup and you don't want to spend a lot of money and you don't really know what really works with your face, what doesn't, if you want to try some new products, go ahead and grab this. This is only for $1. Or if you are a makeup lover and you want to try something different, go ahead and try this one. This is only $1. Did I mention it was only $1? Shh, it's $1. Go ahead and buy it. It's only $1, you guys. Literally, like, what are we even talking about here? There's no argument. Why are you arguing with me? More from this brand. I'm not sponsored by this brand whatsoever. I mean, come on, guys. I have these two. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. So I like to use this for all over the face and this for under the eyes. Or if I really want to just match my under eye with my skin tone, I use this under my eyes as well. This is just for setting. And yeah, I think I'm even hitting pan on one of them. I think it's this one. I think I'm almost gonna be hitting pan and stuff, but so good, you guys, so good. The LA Colors Conceal Correct. These were only $1 from the Dollar Tree. And I actually made a whole video testing out to these products. So if you want to watch that video, I'll put the link up somewhere over here. I'm pretty sure it's right here. So if you guys want to go see how I reacted to that, go ahead and watch it. But I really love this concealer because it's yellow, and honestly, I love to use this one, especially for when I'm about to do a glittery shade on my eyes. So I apply this on a brush and then I put it on my eyes, and then boom, it's good to go. So I really like to use for that one. And then this one's really good for highlighting. So if you're gonna highlight your face, that's good for highlighting. So like for your T-zone. Love this e.l.f. eye primer. So I don't really like to spend a lot of money on eye primers because I don't do eye looks every single day. I only do eye looks when it is the weekend. If this lighting is terrible, I'm so sorry. Let me try to move out of the sun. Okay, so I don't like to do eye looks every single day because where I work out, it's not really where I work at. It's not really, I guess, work appropriate for me to do like a full-on glam look. But during the weekend, girl, do I go all out. So it's only two days out of the week that I do eye looks, so I don't really need to spend a lot of money on that. So e.l.f. literally perfect. Just apply some on the eyes and I am good to go. I don't need to be spending a lot of money on some eye primer that I'm only going to be using 2 days out of the week. So last but not least are these face masks. So at Walmart, these are not $1, but at Dollar Tree, your girl found them for $1. Or a face mask. So this is the Yes to Cucumber Smoothing for Sensitive Skin Calming DIY to Clay Mask. And then this one is the Yes to Grape Brightening for Dull and Uneven Skin Vitamin C Boosting Sleeping Mask. So if you guys like to do masks as I do, I like to do them about two times a week, just to relax and give yourself some of that Sunday self-care day. They're only $1 and they just make your skin so nice and gloominess. You feel so relaxed. You feel like you can conquer the entire world after you do a mask. At least I do. I don't know about you guys, but when I do a mask, I feel like I love myself. I feel like we are vibing here. So yeah, so those are all of the products that I love that are for only $1. So $1 will never break your bank. You will always have $1. At least we pray to God that you do. But if you have $1 to spend, and if you want to get some new makeup products and you want to try out some things, go ahead and buy some of this stuff, especially for the makeup brushes. There is no reason for you to be spending $25, $16 on a makeup brush that these can literally cannot perform. These are so good. There's no reason for you to be spending too much money. Honey, there's no reason for you to go to Ulta and spend $200 when you can go to the Dollar Tree and spend $20. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm trying to save you guys some coins, and thank me later. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldi Silva. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.